welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do this look: bold lips, wing eyeliner, and soft easy eye makeup. I hope you do enjoy this video. Before we go into this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe. You already know I want you to be part of my family, and you know as well that it would make me so happy. Okay, now let's get in this tutorial. All right, so we are starting off with my brows as usual. So I'm brushing them off. Pimple. It hurt. Now I'm filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Lock on Line and brow cream in the color Expresso. You know, that's the same old brow product that I'm using because I'm trying to, you know, finish it so I can use other brand. But yeah, so you will be seeing me use that product for quite a little bit of time now. Again, you already know the drill. I will be cleaning up my brows using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Cafe. And yeah, nothing new for now. Next, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color Pure Beige to prime my eyelids. And also, for today's tutorial, I will be using two Wet n Wild palettes. The first one that I will be showing you is the Awakening palette, and the other one is a Rosé in the Air. And what I love about the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air is that it's a dupe of the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I hope I'm saying this right, but yeah. So here I am using the Awakening palette. Oh, sorry. The Nude Awakening. No, it's not even that. Why am I bugging? Okay, the Wet n Wild Au Naturel Nude Awakening palette. So I am using the brown shade in my crease, taking my time to diffuse it and blend it out. I'm going in with the Rosé in the Air palette. I'm using this brown shade because it's close to my skin color, and I'm using this to blend out the brown color. So we can say that this brown color from the second palette is my transition color since it's very close to my natural skin color. All right, and on my lids I will be using a nude cream color. So like I said, this look is very simple. I wanted to keep it very simple because now to the fun part. I will be doing a eyeliner, and you know guys, I struggle a lot with eyeliner because of my hooded eyes. It's not easy, but you know, I'm okay with getting out of my comfort zone. So yeah, so that's what we're doing here. I completed the eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Chocolate. You already know that this foundation is too dark for me, but I'm making it work because since I have this product, why not use it? I don't want to buy another lighter shade to mix it in. I will wait that I finish that bottle and then buy the correct shade. So you will see that product a lot in my next few tutorial as well. Okay, to highlight, I'm using again the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color Pure Beige. All right, and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, I will be blending this out with my brush and with my beauty sponge. highlight, I will be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And then after that, to set the rest of my face, I will go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder in the color Classic Tan. Next, to contour, I'm using the Nicka Contour Duo. For your information, I bought this contour palette at my local beauty store. Now I'm coating my eyelashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. And then I will be highlighting my face using the Milani Fantastic Face and Body Baked bronzer in the color Fantastic in Gold. Okay, we are almost done here. There's my lips left. I'm gonna go ahead with this lip liner. I think it's a Canadian brand. It's Annabelle. It's kind of a how can I say that, red wine color. So I'm gonna put that around my lip. So now to finish this look, I will use the soft matte lip cream from NYX. All right, and this is in the color Transylvania. All right, let's go. Ooh, that's dark. All right. I'm so not good with lipstick. I don't know for you guys. I would like to know. I'm gonna add some more because I feel it's too sheer. Hopefully it's gonna work. Alright, I think I'm satisfied with the way it's looking now. I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I don't even know if we have to shake the bottle before. Let's hope it doesn't do anything. I'm scared. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like it. It's my first time trying it. Alright, so this is the final look. I kept the eyes pretty simple. I did a wing liner. It's not that bad, it's not that bad. I'm very happy with how it is looking. Tell me what you think down below. I don't always like to wear bold lips like that because I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it enhances my lips too much. Let me know what you think down below. I'm really curious to see if I'm the only one with that thinking, you know. I really hope you did enjoy this video. I will see you all on my next one.